We are doing a series of videos showing some of the features of our SXE MSX machine. Today, let's switch to multi-core mode and test the PC Engine core. We navigate through the files on the SD card and select the one we want. It should take about 12 seconds to load. You'll see the core LED blinking several times. Once the core is loaded, press F12 to bring up the menu and navigate to the PC Engine ROM folder. The PC Engine, known in the US as the TurboGrafx 16, was a home console developed by Hudson Soft and manufactured by NEC. Launched in Japan in 1987 and North America in 1989, it combined an 8-bit CPU with dual 16-bit graphics processor, delivering up to 482 on-screen colors from a palette of 512. Now, let's try Ninja Spirit, a 1988 arcade classic by Irem. The PC Engine conversion is excellent, as were most ports for this platform. Ninja Spirit is a classic side-scrolling hack-and-slash game. While praised for its detailed graphics, serious tone, and tight controls, it's also infamous for its brutal difficulty. The PC Engine was a huge success in Japan, rivaling the Super Famicom with strong third-party support. Over 17 different hardware variants were released, including portables and CD-integrated models, before production ended in 1994. Our PC Engine core supports both ROMs and CD images. Let's switch things up and load a CD-ROM game. Just like before, we press F12 to open the menu and use the arrow keys and spacebar to navigate. First, we need to load the CD-ROM BIOS file. Once that's ready, we can select our game. Let's try Castlevania, known in Japan as Akumajo Dracula. This legendary gothic horror action series from Konami revolves around the Belmont clan's eternal battle against Count Dracula. While the franchise's first 16-bit console entry was Super Castlevania IV for the Super Nintendo in 1991, the PC Engine got its own exclusive gem, Castlevania: Rondo of Blood, released in 1993. This was actually the first Castlevania on CD-ROM, featuring Red Book audio and fully voiced cutscenes, a huge deal at the time. Fun fact, the original Rondo of Blood never left Japan until 2007, when it was included in the Dracula X Chronicles for PSP. The Super Nintendo later got a reworked version, Dracula X, in 1995, but many fans consider the PC Engine original superior. And here's a quirky twist. The version we're about to play has German dialogue. Let's run it and see how it holds up.
Wir wollen, dass Sie die Welt regieren. Wir erwarten lächelnd den Niedergang der Welt. Nach 100 Jahren ist der Böse wieder auferstanden. Er kann sich in eine Fledermaus, einen Wolf und Nebel verwandeln. Er liebt die Nacht. Er schlürft das Blut von jungen Frauen und lebt ewig. Der Burgherr des Teufelsschlosses, der Herr des Bösen, Graf Dracula ist auferstanden.
Castlevania: Rondo of Blood, originally released in Japan as Akumajo Dracula X Chi no Rondo, was developed by Konami for the PC Engine's Super CD-ROM system. As part of the Castlevania series, the protagonist Richter Belmont goes to save his lover Annette, who was abducted by Dracula. It was first released exclusively in Japan on October 29, 1993. The PC Engine's hybrid 816-bit architecture delivered performance beyond its specs through clever engineering. Its 8-bit CPU worked in tandem with dedicated 16-bit graphics dual processors, managing 482 simultaneous colors and 128 hardware sprites. The system's separate VRAM buffers and parallel processing enabled smooth scrolling and effects that rivaled true 16-bit consoles. CD-ROM expansion added 256 KB RAM and ADPCM audio, overcoming cartridge limitations to support Redbook audio and full-motion video. This technical foundation allowed games like Rondo of Blood to combine arcade-perfect action with CD-quality soundtracks, a showcase of the hardware's optimized pipeline and memory management that punched above its class. So, that's all for now. We hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
8 bits forever.